Now it's time to study the single most influential machine tool of the 20th century. That's my opinion. The vertical milling machine, or knee mill, or more commonly referred to as the Brigeport. Since its first introduction in 1936, the Brigeport has been copied by. This is along the Z-axis. Then on the front of the knee is a hand wheel for moving the table in and out along the Y-axis. Also movement of the table. This is the X-axis. The entire head is mounted on a turret atop the base and is capable of 360 degrees of rotation. The head can be tilted up or down a total of 90 degrees. Then able to rotate left or right a full 360 degrees. The most demanding aspect of any good mill hand will be his ability to indicate the alignment of any angle or surface in any position. But the skill you will acquire will carry over into every subsequent task you approach. Don't settle for less. Learn to be precise. And move across the face to the loose side. Using a soft mallet, adjust the vise to match the tight side with maybe a little overcompensation. I want to discuss the principal tools, the ones you'll use 99% of the time. This is an end mill. It looks kind of like a drill bit. This is basically a revolving lathe tool, and you can now use your newly acquired lathe skills on the mill. The physics are the same, only now the tool is in motion and the material is fixed. Another is, and they include fly cutting and squaring, milling, drilling and tapping, and boring. First, we'll square a block. Is the Z-axis. Always try and think of the tool in regards to which way the tool is moving. First, pick a point to call 0. Then, if the tool moves to the left, this is X minus. To the right, X plus. If we are against the back of the pocket with the tool rotating clockwise and we begin to feed down the edge from right to left, or X minus, this is referred to as climb cutting. The cutter is actually pulling itself along and being a quarter 28. And on our tap and drill chart, this says to drill it with a number 3 drill, or 213, just enough material in the hole to verify that the number I dial on the boring head equals the material I took out. But two of the more common methods are rotary tables and rotary heads. It's important that you learn to understand straight lines, flat surfaces, and square corners on the mill. It's not about tools and who has the most. It's about knowledge and application. It's about analyzing what needs to be done and understanding all the available methods to fulfill those needs. And more importantly, it's about knowing what to do when things go wrong. Not if, but when. Now it's time to get out there and be an active part in this world of machines. I'm Marshall Burr. Be safe.